Is it sunnah to do dua after every fard salah in jama'ah? And if so, should it be done in congregation?
It is not sunnah to do dua every fard. You do adhkar, ikhwani. فإذا قضيت الصلاة فاذكروا الله. Allah, if the salah is finished, make dhikr. It's not a dua. Dhikr of Allah Azza wa Jal. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah 3 times. Allahumma anta as-salam wa minka as-salam. Tabarakta ya dhal jalali wal ikram. Allahumma inni ala dhikrika wa shukrika wa husni ibadah. To the end of supplications that you say, which is adhkar. But to make every time that I finish a salah, you just do like this, that's a bid'ah. When you do like this, especially the imam would raise up his hands and the people, they just look at him and they raise up his hands. You find it in some of the masajid. And when the imam does like this, some people did like this, and they add putting their nails and thumbnails into their eyes like this. Some of them kisses as well. You see them kissing, some of them kisses everything. They add it's a bid'ah. It's open for everybody to add. It adds. Allah al-Musta'an. And they don't know where you bring it from. Why, ya? He said, I am expressing my gratitude for the blessing that Allah has given me by kissing my hands like this. But Allah did not tell you to do that, to express your gratitude. Express it by making ibadah, by thanking Allah, by following the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, so you're not honoring the Quran by doing like this. As the Quran. So many people, they do that. No companion had done this. You're better than the companions. Prophet of Allah, yes, he did not have a book, but he had some other skin leaves and all of that leaves. He never did. And they call this as well the worst, to make a sajda on the book like that. That's the worst. Why do people they do this? Okay, some people, they love the Quran, they put it while he's asleep. My heart like this. It's not going to help you, akhi. It's not going to help you doing like this to the Quran. And you might, if you sleep with it, you might damage it, you might throw it while you're sleeping, it's thrown out, you might humiliate it. It's not the way to love the Quran. Like this. No. Or to hang it in the car, a miniature of the Quran. Small Quran like this. Or to put it as a souvenir. Nobody can touch it. Just dust on top of it, that's it. No. Quran is for you to read. And also to understand. And the third one, to implement. That's the Quran. That's the job of the Quran. It will not be doing anything to you if you just did like this. Or you kept it like this on my arm, I'm going to heal my arm with it. This is atifa, which is, I call it emotions, which is not controlled.